Extreme weather over here. We're going to look at the update of the tropical system. Right now there's like 90% and a 40% chance of tropical systems. Because these tropical systems, we're looking at like the 91L, could be maybe a little bit strengthening, a little bit, then turn back to weakening. It's just going to be maybe our first layer A tropical system in America, or an Atlantic Ocean. So far, it could be a little bit strengthening, because right now it's like 90%. Because on this satellite, maybe you see the lightning right now show you how crazy the cloud formation could develop into tropical system. Because still lots of things we need to doing right now. Now we are looking at maybe wildfires in Florida right now. I'm making like this video, but maybe I will gonna be changed when I posted it. There's still maybe a little bit in California, on the New Mexico, or like or like late tropical, and there's lots of things like this really hot, dry right now in Florida. That's why I'm thinking going on right now. The models still don't know how will change will developed. The like NAM 12 kilometers show you in case well maybe more cape on the 21st for like Texas, Oklahoma, and maybe a little bit in Texas. Maybe there's gonna be this chance of hail too. And also on the 23rd is gonna be a big one. Because it's gonna be very warm in Maryland and also lots of states. Because there's lots of energy, because there's heat waves, there's gonna be lots of K values inside that energy system. This will envelop more storms until maybe the next 2 days. Unlike the 22nd example, there was gonna be storms on the 22nd. There will be a little bit K values to do as the 3 program. It costs a lot more money. Hopefully this show you that I can use it to my gas for forecasting my nations and lots of things. And also maybe there's gonna be a little bit wind shear in this system. Let me just get that on the weather bell. Show you case lots of things going on the 12K. In that, there we go. On like the 22nd, there's gonna be a little bit on Texas and DC Alley too, and also Kansas also gonna be back in The biggest one is on the 23rd, maybe more likely, more hail threat in the Maryland states. We need to just keep an eye on it. On the 23rd is the biggest problem. There's going to be a lot of things. I will just going to show you the wind shear right now, because I don't know why Weather Bell not have that. Now we'll show you, maybe there's lots of things inside that wind shear values to the United States. We'll show you right now. There's going to be a little bit of a low over here, and still going to include up below, and when maybe that to there's not going to be a lot of things energy for there's not a lot of wind shear for these storms, but maybe there's going to be a little bit more wind shear in the east or the west coast. I was saying about it, because this system will impact it to Texas all the way to Oklahoma and a lot of northeast states. Hopefully this is going to be a good video.